Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I will be showing off my science project. So to start off, we have the shark, the most powerful in the ecosystem, coral reef. So this shark, if I release it over there, then it will be eaten. Then it will automatically eat every single marine creature there. To prove this, I'm going to spawn 2 turtles. Do you guys notice how the shark's automatically eating the turtles? This just proves that the shark is the most powerful marine animal in coral reefs. Next, we have a crab. The crab is another marine animal. It can live on land, and it's a primary consumer. It mainly eats algae. So if we go over here now, we have a jellyfish, also primary. This eats krill, but unfortunately, I don't have krill right now, so but I add jellyfish just to show you. Next, we have the squid. Next we have the octopus. Octopus are secondary, and they eat only crabs. Crabs only. That's all they eat. After that, we have the triggerfish. This triggerfish is a secondary consumer. Triggerfish can actually be eating octopus. Even though they're still secondary, they can actually eat octopus. Okay, next we have the turtle. The turtle is also secondary. And just to refresh your memory on what secondary is, secondary consumers are when you can eat some animals, but you aren't completely safe from being eaten yourself. This turtle can eat seagrass and sometimes like jellyfish. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. We have bacteria. Bacteria is actually bacteria is a decomposer of this ecosystem. Bacteria, if any animal dies, like even the shark, the bacteria will come in and eat it. Next up, we have the damselfish. The lionfish. Lionfish are also secondary consumers. Lionfish eat. Oh my god. Lionfish eat multiple plants. Well, actually only one, but yeah. Next, we have the damselfish. This damselfish is also secondary, which is actually pretty surprising. It doesn't exactly eat any plants, but it eats animals. Moving on, we have surgeonfish, which I unfortunately do not have right now. But surgeonfish are invasive. Surgeonfish are like, oh wait, no, here's a surgeonfish. Surgeonfish are invasive, and they only eat the stuff that grows on corals, zooxanthin or whatever it's called. Don't know how to pronounce it. Next, we have coral. Coral actually makes up coral reefs. It's a producer, and clownfish like to live in them. Even though I didn't include them in this project, I'm still showing you. This is what grows on coral, zooxanthil. This zooxanthil is the thing that clownfish eat when they hide inside of coral. This is algae, pretty straightforward, producer, and seagrass. Comes in different sizes. Next, how humans affect the environment. Here's a comparison. Dead versus alive. Dead coral is like brown and not very good looking. If this is what happens to coral if you take it out of the water. If coral alive can come in many different colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, multiple. But if it's taken out of water, it will turn to this brown. Next, we have my legend and my food web. So, the white is decomposer. Red is secondary. Orange is territory. Black is invasive. Green is producer. Blue is primary consumer. Now let me give you a quick tour of my food web. So I start off with the sun. 10% of the energy gets transferred here. So zooxanthelle, producer. Seagrass, producer. Algae, producer. 10% of that energy goes here. Jellyfish, primary, eats seagrass. Crab, primary, eats algae. Next, we have surgeonfish. It's invasive and secondary. It eats zooxanthelle, which is why it's invasive, because it eats all of it in it. And zooxanthelle is pretty important. Lionfish is secondary. All it eats is crab, though. Turtles are also secondary. It eats jellyfish, seagrass, and algae. Damselfish, secondary, eats algae and crab. Octopus, secondary, it eats crab. Triggerfish, secondary, it eats octopus and damselfish. Shark, territory, eats jellyfish, octopus, turtle. Surgeonfish and triggerfish. Then the decomposer decomposes this whole entire food web. Now, if you give me a second. Okay, so. And there you have it, my ecosystem project. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Ah!